Welcome to the Homeshire. We'd like to introduce you to our farm as we start to share more about what our life is like as we take care of these animals on our homestead. These are our youngest Nigerian dwarf doelings. We have 5 that we retained from last year's breeding, and we've loved watching them grow. This is our protector, Honey. She's half Great Pyrenees and half Anatolian Shepherd. We have coyotes in our valley, and they have attacked goat herds across the road. So her purpose is to guard our homestead at night, and if you follow us on Instagram at Our Burrow, you can see our morning stories where I take her on walks around the perimeter of our land. This is Tilly. She will be our first mama to kid. She is due May 8th. This is Mopsie and her sister Flopsie. They were born in -4 degrees last year, and so they've been a little bit slower to grow, and we did not breed them this year. This is one of our doelings, Alice. She is blue-eyed and polled. And here's Fawn. She looks like a little deer fawn. She's got the cutest moon spots on her back. This is Coco. She is our friendliest doeling. She always looks like she's got a smile. This is her sister Crumble. She is a little bit more reserved. This is their wonderful mama Toffee. This is Missy. She is one of the oldest goats on our farm, and she is mama to Flopsie and Mopsie. And here's our first milker that we ever purchased. Her name is Bonnie, and she has the 2 blue-eyed polled doelings, Alice and Ada. This is our sweet barn cat Ginger. She was the first animal that was born on our homestead about 4 years ago. She lost her eye last year falling out of our lilac bush. Here's our Pekin ducks, and they are enjoying a warm bath in the stock tank. This is Marshmallow. He's our Kunekune boar. He's a big friendly guy. We have about 20 chickens on the farm right now. They are all laying hens between the ages of 1 and 2. We have Barred Rock, Austerlorp, Black Star, an Orpington mix, and some Easter Eggers and Olive Eggers. These are our Kunekune gilts. Pumpkin is not registered. She's the bigger of the 2, but she does not have double wattles. She will be bred soon to Marshmallow. And this is her sister, Peaches. Peaches is registered because she is double wattled, and she will also be bred to Marshmallow soon. We're looking forward to about 35 chicks arriving in April. We're excited to show you more about a simple life on a homestead. Thank you for watching the Homeshire vlog today. We hope you will subscribe to watch us homesteading, homemaking, and homeschooling in Utah.